Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, what's up? My name is Caitlin, and today we've got another unboxing video. This is my Petit Vour. Again, I say this in every single one of these videos I do. Don't know if I'm butchering that or not, but it is French, and I don't know French, so I'm trying my best. If you speak French and you know how to say this, phonics it for me down in the comments. But yeah, I like this subscription because it is all cruelty free. A lot of it is vegan too, so that's great. It comes every month, obviously, and it's, why do I never remember? I think it's $15 a month. I think it's 15. You only get 4 products in there though, so that kind of sucks, but yeah, let's go ahead and open this. I have already opened it because I suck at opening tape, but it says be bold, be kind, as always, on the side there. And then it looks like this. It says Petit Vour, be bold, be kind. And then every month you get a card. Oh, I just dropped something. Looks like this month. It's got like some eyes on it. That's cute. I like that. Okay. Where did I drop a card? Hold please. Okay. I dropped this out. I don't know what this says. Join the movement. Hashtag stories on the ground. Stories on the ground. I hate hashtags. Okay, it says stories on the ground. It is our latest campaign encouraging the act of sharing stories as a way to bring people together. Stories speak, they travel, they cross boundaries and build common ground. We invite you to share a moment that positivity changed how you see yourself or the world. Share your story in an Instagram post using hashtag stories on the ground. We'll be regramming your stories through Stories on the Ground and Petit Vour. More information at petitvour.com. That's cute. So you guys can screenshot that if you want and try it out. Yeah, I am all about spreading positivity, so that's great. Probably not something I'll do because I'm lazy, but here is what the box looks like. It always says the creme de la cruelty free right here. And here is the 4 products. So first thing I'm going to pull out is this. This is by Luxe. Luxie, I'm not sure. Camo Brightening Moisturizer. So it's a moisturizer. I enjoy moisturizers. My skin is very, very dry, so that's great. This is a baby, little baby. Okay, let's see. I feel like this is like a medicine tube. I don't want to waste this because there's not a lot in here. Ooh, all of Petit Vour's products that you get, they always have a similar smell. Like if you guys get this subscription, let me know if I'm crazy. Ooh, that's a thick cream. Let me know if I'm crazy or if you guys feel the same, because I feel like they all have like this medicinal herby smell to them, and I don't love it, but like it's okay. How much is in here? 7 milliliters, 0.34 ounces. Okay, where's my card? Here it is. The one thing, well, not the one thing, but another thing about Petit Vour that I really enjoy is on the card that you get, they have the value, but they have the value of the product you're getting, not like the full size. Like Ipsy, and Box, well, maybe not Box Charm, but Ipsy gives you sample sizes. And then on the card, it'll say like, this little thing is $15, when in reality, it's like worth $2. But this one tells you the value of it, so that's great. Value of that is $10. So, okay. Next thing in here, I know this brand, so let's reach for this. This is Kvoss. This is a shine on stick. The other thing I'll say is you usually don't get a lot of makeup in here. It's usually more like skincare, hair care, and then makeup. You get like one of each, usually like a skincare, a hair care, a rando, and then like a makeup item. So this is the makeup item. It's by Kvoss though, which I do know that brand, so I appreciate that. This looks to be full size. This is $28, so yeah, it's definitely full size. Shine on stick, I'm assuming that's a highlighter. Creamy highlighter stick made with wild flax, and I'm not even gonna try to say that. Made with good stuff, guys. Made with good stuff. Okay. Pulling this off here. At least attempting to. It does have an annoying plastic on it. It looks like orange at the bottom, so I'm a little scared. Oh. It's like marbly orange, gold, red. Doesn't have a smell. Oh yeah, that's orange. This would be beautiful on deeper skin. I love deeper skin in like an orange and like a yellow. That'd be so pretty. Kind of blends out though. I don't know, I'll try it, but I'm not gonna like it. Might give it to my sister. She has very deep skin, so. Okay. Moving on to a car. This is a balanced toning mist. I don't use toner as much as I should. I have heard of this brand, I think from this box. Like I think we get quite a few car products. Ooh, it's pretty though. I like the packaging. What do you, ooh, it's glass. You hear that? It's glass. This is $12. Achieve true balance with the fine non-sticky mist of rose and orange blossom. I love orange though. Spreads to provide gentle hydration, neutralize pH, and to allow greater absorption of neutrals. Can you put this over makeup? I don't really know. I'm not going to, but like, can you? Please don't overpower the orange. You can see what I'm doing. Ooh, I like the mist. Ugh. I hate the smell. That's disgusting. That does not smell good at all. It doesn't. It doesn't smell like roses or oranges. I don't like that. Okay, I'll try it, but I don't like that. Last product in here is by Provence Apothecary, moisturizing oil cleanser and makeup remover. Okay, that's cool. I'm down for some makeup remover. This is $20. Calming and hydrating raspberry, bergamot, frankincense, and lavender. Why? Petit Vour, if you're watching, please stop giving me products that have lavender and rose in them, because literally every box I get lavender or rose. I hate lavender. I hate rose. Okay, hopefully the raspberry overpowers it. It restores the skin natural radiance by gently cleansing without over drying the skin or destroying the natural pH. A lot of pH products in here. Okay, let's smell this little makeup remover, just because this video is like 5 minutes long and over. So we're gonna smell. It just has that same herbally smell that everything else in this box has. Okay. Whatever. I don't know. Let's go ahead and do our quick recap of the 4 products we got. This is the Provence Apothecary thing. I'm okay with it. Like, I need makeup remover all the time, so I will definitely give it a try. The lavender's not overpowering, so that's okay. The moisturizer that I just dropped, I'm down for. I'm always down for a moisturizer because she has dry skin. So I will definitely try that. It's a little guy, so maybe I'll travel with it. This toner, I really, really like the packaging, and I'm gonna try it, but if it smells like that all the time, I'm gonna cry. So I'm on the fence with that one. And then this, honestly, might be my least favorite product that we got, because like, I don't know, I just don't think that's gonna be flattering. Like, it looks fine here, but when you turn, you can definitely see the cast, and I think it's gonna be way too dark for my skin tone, so I'm probably gonna give it to my sister. But that's everything for this box. Let me know down below if you guys get this box what you got. And yeah, don't forget to like this video before you go. Subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any of my future videos. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.